what's up everyone? Thank you for coming back to my channel. This is your Malaysian girl doing another Malaysian dish. Yes, that is actually chicken ass that you are looking at. But let's go with the professional name, chicken bishop nose. My husband Raju is going to demonstrate how to clean bishop nose properly. So over to you, Raju. FYI, before he took over, I washed with water already.
So this is Tongkeng ayam lah. So kita kena potong bahagian ni, kita keluarkan lemak. Tada!
So basically you're saying we need to cut off
the top part, yeah.
The fats. But how you do is you slide from that side until this side. Okay.
Correct.
So let's do again.
Like this. Right. So you just cut off from here, this side. Tada! Okay. So
I
shouldn't
noticed,
eat this fat.
okay, I noticed there's a tip. So we need to cut that tip off, right?
Yep. And I also usually cut off this side, the excess skin.
First is slide off the tip, but go a bit further away from the top to bottom here, okay? And then flip around and cut away the fats here. So done cleaning the bishop nose. Okay. These are the tip part that we cut off and bad fats that we don't want. So throw this all away, okay? Now we're gonna marinate the bishop nose with only 3 ingredients. First, of course, is the highlight of the dish, curry powder. Just use any curry powder that you can find in supermarket. Salt to taste. And about 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Mix them up. You can leave it for half an hour or straight away into the air fryer, also no problem. Okay, about arranging the bishop nose in the basket, basically should arrange something that allows the air flow properly. But at the same time, you don't have to be too strict about it because halfway through, you just need to flip the bishop nose. 180 Celsius, 20 minutes. But don't forget to check in the middle, like 10 minutes. That's when you need to check and see if you need to flip it. Okay, this is how halfway through looks like. Looking great. Don't forget to flip it around. For the remaining 10 minutes, I maxed up the heat to 200 degrees. And it's done! Wow, look at it. It looks crunchy on the outside and can't wait to bite that tender meat out of the bishop nose. Yums! Now this is the part that I want to show you all. So I cook without any oil, right? I didn't even grease the basket, but look at the oil coming out from the bishop nose. Do you see that? Let's see how much oil. That's how much oil coming out from this one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram at Jimin Studio. Now would you excuse me? I'm gonna indulge in one of this chicken butt. Look at the bone. It's just so thin, which means there's so much tender meat in there. Yums. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking.